friends. Today we're going to learn some fun words. Are you ready? Let's go! This word is up. 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 Can you say up? Well done. This is down. 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 Can you say down? Amazing. This is hot. 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 Can you say hot? Superb. This is cold. 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 Can you say cold? Super. This is big. 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 Can you say big? Fantastic. This is small. 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 Can you say small? Magnificent. This is happy. 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 Can you say happy? Well done. This is bye. 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 Can you say bye? Amazing. Great job, children. You were amazing. Let's say some more words soon. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button